Thanks for tuning in. My name is Jason, the Crack Guy from Areawide Waterproofing. Today I'm going to be sealing a foundation crack in the basement. A common area for cracks that occur is off the window or in the corner. The homeowner of this home said that she saw water coming in out of the bottom and out of a pencil hole up here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to seal this crack. I'm going to inject it with urethane, and when that urethane cures, it's going to cure into a Nerfy foam solution that will fill the crevices inside the crack. We're almost done sealing. I'm going to seal up this last little bit here. Tighten up any spots around the ports. After I do an inspection, seal up that port, and then I'm going to wait about 40 minutes. Come back and inject. My epoxy is dried, it's hardened enough to where I'm ready to start injecting the crack. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to prime each port with water. The water actually makes the urethane activate a little bit faster and start to foam up, which will help me ensure to not put too much urethane in where it's spilling all over the place. So when I do this, I start from the top down, and all I'm doing is I'm squeezing a little bit of water inside the crack there. And like I said, that water will actually activate the urethane and make it foam up a little bit quicker. Gave me a good seal. My material's worked all the way up to the top of the crack here. So now I'm just going to clean up and get out of here.